Okay, so my cat hasn't been allowed to go outside for like a week now, and he's always just looking at me like this. Dude, it's okay. You're not an outside cat. You get your ass beat every time you go outside. Fucking suck it up.
Llama, 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 llama.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Baba Booey. Baba Booey. Baba Booey.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Bang! Oh no, she's dead.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Am I a cat?
Meow, 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 meow. What am I?
Wow. Oh my God, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
It's the final brain cell.
You don't need a friend, boy, you're the man.
Okay.
Good job!
Hey, buddy. Hello. What are you doing? Can I help you with something? Aww, baby. You're so cute.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no...
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna show you guys why you can never trust a pit bull. Just a warning, it might get a little graphic. Oh.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. Dude, I hit so much stuff